What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have another electric cleaning brush. You guys, my wife this is the ecosystem she's in now. Electric cleaning brushes is very good. Just be mindful on like your stainless steel that you cleaning. You don't want to put nothing too rough on the stainless steel because a lot of that stuff is like peel. You know, you could peel it off and stuff like that. It's not like it's super steel or anything, so some of that stuff is coated. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox this thing, and this time I chose an orange one. Oh, everything came out, and this is almost the same one as our white one that we have. And the cool thing about this, you press it and it goes to actual speed, and if you press it again, it goes faster. So it'll let you know if you're going a faster speed or not. The 80, I believe, is the battery level. The other one that we have don't tell us the battery level or anything, so that is definitely a plus. So this is a little bit more upgraded than the one we have. You have a little bristle pad right here. All right, at least I think it's bristle pad, whatever they call this in the kitchen. All right, so we have another one here. I believe this may be Velcro, you guys. Yeah, that's Velcro. So you can take this one off when it wears out. You could put this one on. All right, they give you this little bullet one right here, and then you pull this out. Make sure you don't hit the power. All right, and you push this one in, and the way it goes, it has like little, I don't know how to explain it, but the little indents in here, and then you have to match it up to the ones out here and then push it in. So that's it with that, not too much to it. All right, press your power and that's it. All right, so this is some type of new Velcro they got going on. So you take that off and then put that on, and it's Velcro. Now I'm gonna put this one on, and same thing, it's hard to get off. So the black ones is hard to get off, so yeah. Oh, wow. You have a little hook right here, which is nice. You have your little like wrist, you know, you can use your wrist thing. You have to put that right under here if you want to use that. My wife probably, she don't use this thing, but I'm just showing you for the sake of the video. You put that on there and then you wrap it around. So you put it like going inside, and then there you go. All right, that's if you want to have like a way to hold it, so if it fall out your hand, you can catch it easily. And they gave you a little hanger hook for it. So this is awesome right here. This is something that is much needed, okay? All right, USB hookup. And that's about it. You got a little rubber port right here, or a little rubber cover. All right, you guys, so we got the charger in, and that's about it. So I showed y'all everything. Let's go ahead and get into some specs on this thing. I mean, if you really need to know the specs, a lot of people probably not really into the specs like that, but this is a 2000 milliamp battery. Now with this being 2000 milliamp battery, I'm not sure like how long it will last if you are a maid or if you're a cleaner somewhere. And if you're doing an 8-hour shift and you're using this the whole time, I'm not sure if this is going to last you, you know, the whole 8 hours. I am not sure about that. But if you keep it on charge, you should be good to go. You know, if you like use it for a little bit, charge it up, use it for a little bit. All right, it says rated power is 10 watts. Rated voltage is 3.7 volts. All right, power adapter output, you can do 5 volts, 1 amp. All right, so speed, the low speed is 280 RPM and the highest speed is 350 RPM. I don't know if that means anything to anybody because I am not even sure about the speed on the one I reviewed before. I don't even think I got that deep. I was just, excited to get something like this. So yeah. And of course, we have the manual, and we didn't even look at the manual. So yeah, the manual just tell you how to take it off, blase, blase, operation instructions. That's it. There's nothing special to this. I just wanted to show y'all some cool products that we purchased along the way of 2023. And going into 2024, we will be looking for something different, innovative, and fun. So that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.